My name is Yusuke. I'm eight years old. I can read Scary Cat. Scary Cat chased the mouse. The mouse chased Scary Cat. Scary Cat chased the rabbit. The rabbit chased Scary Cat. The Scary Cat chased the mouse. The spider chased Scary Cat. The Scary Cat chased the bird. The bird chased Scary Cat. I'm scared.
She's a scary cat.
She's a scary cat. Don't be scared of me, said the bird. Don't be scared of me, said the spider. Don't be scared of me, said the rabbit. Don't be scared of me, said the mouse. Don't be scared of me, said Scary Cat.